Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 24th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the week ending the 28th of March 2024. So we can see that the max OI level for CE and PE have both gone up the same amount, which is positive. It's actually meant to be positive because both have gone up. Quantity is higher for CE, which is actually negative. Why is this wrong? This hasn't saved. That's okay. Quantity is high. Change is higher for PE, which is actually positive. Short squeeze is a lot higher for PE, which is negative. And PCR is higher, is 0.86 this week, which is higher than last week, but is definitely positive in terms of it's a contrarian signal. Implied volatility has gone down but historical volatility has gone up, so that's a positive and negative respectively. RSI has gone up, which is negative in this case. RSI has gone up, which is positive in this case, actually, is positive. There's no divergence, which is negative. ADX has gone up, which is negative, like since Tesla is going down. ATR has gone down, which is negative, which has gone down, which is negative. EMA is lower, which is negative. EMA 20 and 50 are both lower, so it's two negatives. VWAP is higher, which is positive. Pivot point is lower. Candlestick is an inside bar, which is equal. The new support is 170. Previous weeks was 165. The new resistance is 180. Previous weeks was 175. And the overall prediction is that Tesla goes down this week. So, thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.